Okay guys, so what we got here is a Mercedes E-Class W211, and we are having some electrical issues, but we need to move it, and it's an automatic. As you can see here, it's an automatic and it's engaged in park, and we cannot turn ignition for now. We are suspecting that it's the SAM module in the trunk, but for now we need to move it and we cannot disengage it. So this is what I wanted to show: how to disengage a Mercedes. It doesn't move, obviously, but there's this little trick here. You just pop this compartment open, remove the bucket thingy inside, then you just want to look for, as you close it slightly, you'll see a hole there. You can see that? Okay, so let me try and do this while filming. Okay, so like this. Yep. So what you want to do, you want to touch a little black plastic thingy in there. You want to get a screwdriver or something long like this. This will work, I believe. Now you want to just, okay, so you want to close it a little bit just to gain access to the thing. We need to go in there. Okay, now it's done. I'm sorry for the quality of the video. I'm here all alone doing this, but yeah, well, you press this like that, and then just push the lever for wherever you want. If you put it back in park with the screwdriver in, it will move. Without, it won't. So like that, you just push it in. It's free. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoy it, hope it helps someone, and that's it. See you next video.